Hello everyone, today is your lucky day. Today is a very good day and I'm only here, I'm computer programmer and I'm here to teach you how to fix your flash drive, your spoiled flash drive. So if you want to learn the memory card on in my next video, I'm creating about how to fix the memory card before. So for this one only, this is only going to be for your flash drive. So if your flash drive is having any problem, so just do this. It won't take up to 1 minute and this is very legit and fast way. Learn this and you can use this for your friend to make money, to make all this change from your friends anywhere from a customer. So to teach you, let's begin. Put in your flash drive. I've already put in mine and mine is 4 gig. So it's 3.7, approximately 4 gigabytes. So you are using a command and a command program called exFAT. Click on it, type click on your Windows and type on it. You'll see it pop out, exFAT. So exFAT, you click on Dix, and then to show you this is my 4 gig, and this is my then the other one is my storage for my computer. So I put select X1, then you put attribute Dix clear read only. There it said it's cleared successful, then you clean. Nice, that I've cleaned, then you create partition primary, and then you format it. FAT, that is the default file format, 32 quick. Yeah, we're waiting for the format, and this is formatted successfully. Then you exit. So thanks for watching that. So our flash drive has been successfully